Hi my little friends, how are you today? Today we are going to learn 3-letter words or CVC blends with a short O sound. Can you tell me what is the short O sound? That's correct, it's A. Let's first see the CV blends with the A sound. They are B, K, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. Awesome! You remembered them all. And do you remember our trick from the last video? We will read the sound on green and the orange dot together. And we will blend the sound on the red dot with it. Let's give it a try. K, T, cot. Correct. Let's do it once again. Dog, dog. Let's practice some more words with the A sound. Pot, pot. Mop, mop. Dog, dog. Log, log. Fox, fox. Dot, dot. Box, box. Hot, hot. Cot, cot. Pod, pod. Awesome! Let's practice a few more words. Got, got. Pop, pop. Hog, hog. Lot, lot. Nod, nod. Sob, sob. Rob, rob. Hop, hop. Job, job. Good job! Now you can practice a few more words with your mom or dad, and you can even try to write down these words. We will meet in the next lesson where we will learn 3-letter words or CVC words with a short U sound, which is A. Till then, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Take care.